Is your space station filled with viruses and bacteria? Do your friends always make last-minute excuses not to come hang at your space station? And are you always occupied with super important scientific experiments that never leave you with enough time to clean? Then we have the product for you.
The primary mission of PerseverANT to kill viruses, bacteria, and fungi is accomplished using a UV light powered by two 3-point-volt lithium-ion polymer batteries connected by a MOSFET module to the inhibitor hub, which is controlled by a TI Inspire CX2. The device walks using two MG995 servos powered by two 3-point-volt LiPo batteries connected in series. Voltage is reduced using 4 diodes connected in series.
PerseverANT stays on the surface using two brushless modes, each with 9.5-inch propellers and paired to the 30A speed controller powered by three 3.7-volt LiPo batteries. If PerseverANT detaches from the surface is cleaning, an ultrasonic ranger attached to the ventral side measures the increase in distance, and the following occurs. The UV light turns off, walking stops, or propellers stop, and alert tone generated using piezo buzzer connected to the hub's breadboard sounds. Voltage dividers are used to measure battery voltage for the brushless motors and the UV light. If battery voltage for any of these components drops below the operational threshold, the previous occurs as well as the activation of the pump.
A drop in battery voltage can be simulated by shining a light on the hub's brightness sensor. This also acts as a safety mechanism to stop the propellers. A peristaltic pump attached to two suction cups repurposed from a toy called GeckoBot at the digital end of the front legs is powered by two 3.7-volt LiPo batteries connected by a MOSFET module to the hub. This ensures that PerseverANT will remain in place until maintenance can be performed. Suction is released by covering the hub's brightness sensor.